Sige, thank you, Mern. Sige, bago tayo magtawag ng ano, merong question dito kay The Mompreneur. Sabi niya, "Hi Sir Tom, what's your vision for iFern in the next 5 years?" Most businesses, no, they have what you call the 5-year plan, no? And si iFern, meron din 5-year plan si iFern, and every year, no, you update the 5-year plan. Definitely for the next 5 years, no, we will continue what we're growing. 'Di ba sinabi ko nga nung nag-birthday ako, my new wish is to have 1 million millionaires, no? So, part of the 5-year plan, no, kailangan makapagbukas tayo ng more offices, no, abroad, no? Last night, may kausap po ako, puro mga foreigners, no? They want to open the iFern office in Saudi Arabia. Ito ang kakaiba. Kakaiba yung mga foreigner. Of course, they led by a Filipino, no? Si Boyet, no? Na second time ko siya nakausap via Zoom. Wala pa pong agreement, wala pa pong lisensya na naipapasa, wala pa po kaming napagpipirmahan, nagrenta na po sila ng opisina. No, nung nakipag-meeting po sila sa akin, pinakita, sabi niya, ito po yung future iFern office. Future iFern office, pero may opisina na. No, 2 floor yung office, no? May malaking sopa, may mga TV, no? Actually, yung alam mo, yung booth mo, Lionel, yung ginagawa mong iFern na booth, meron na sa Saudi. Mamaya pakita ko yung video sa iyo, no? So, iba mag-isip yung mga foreigner. Wala pang napagkakasunduan, wala pang napagpipirmahan, sumugal na sila. May opisina na po. May opisina na, wala lang syempre, wala pang iFern signage, wala pang agreements, no? So, part of the 5-year plan is continuing, no, what we have been doing correctly, but opening, no, branches outside of the Philippines, no. Kailangan maparami natin yung opisina sa ibang bansa. Definitely we will continue launching new world-class products, no. And we will continue improving the iFern marketing plan, no. Part of the implementation this year is yung new system ni iFern, no, that will be app-based. And of course, yung iFern Academy, no, meron nagtanong kanina dito kung pwede bang magkaroon ng international, no, na iFern Academy. No, definitely with the opening of the branches abroad, no, the iFern International, iFern Academy International will be put on stream, no. So, hi Dean, may chance bang maka-join sa academy yung mga OFW natin, iFern Ryan? I think, down the line, we have no choice but to develop an online curriculum, no? Especially for those who are abroad, para may chance po silang mapakinggan yung mga $1 Million Club members natin.